Yo, what's up, YouTube, and welcome back to part 8 of the Pokemon Heart and Soul uh, randomizer Nuzlocke. Geez, I could not think of the name for a second. Last episode, we unfortunately lost our starter and James the Victory Bell. Very misfortunate. In place, we did catch a Nidoking named Emperor with the ability, did it have? I guess we'll look at it right now. Shed Skin. Here's its moves, and yeah. But I have something else to show you. As you may see, it is now nighttime, which means we can do this. Oh wow, look at that. Max Friendship, the heart is golden. What? Vertex is evolving. Ta-da! Your true form. Excellent. Thief? Now stay with Bite for now. Confused, right? Heck yeah. Nice. And yeah. Our team just got a whole lot stronger. Levitate, ooh, that's kind of nice. It's just like a free immunity. I do wish you didn't have a defense lowering nature, but alas. It is what it is. Special attack is now slightly higher than your physical, but I'm not too worried about that. Yeah. Oh, you know what I could do? Is this as well. It won't have any effect. That's right, because I maxed out its defenses. Yeah, not really anything I'd want to teach. Oh, you know what I will do, though? Teach Surf to Kraken. Just because it's a good move to have. It is a bit stronger than Bubble Beam. Also, all the Pokemon are like way higher level than us, so maybe I should use a couple rare candies just to catch up. My goodness. I mean, we just got cooked last time. Oh, we can only go to 31. Okay, I guess we're not that underleveled, but I'd like to get really a little bit closer to 30 if I can. Yeah, I don't really want to GG Slam. Okay. Well, with that, I guess all that's left to do right now is to challenge this gym, right? Not much else to do. Onward. Oh, what the heck? Oh, an ice puzzle? Great. What? Oh god, I actually have to think. Wait. I have no clue what I'm supposed to do. Wait, duh. Alrighty. Drats. Oh, drats. Very well, I will face you. Level 30, jeez. Oh yeah, that's right, you don't even have a stab move. Isn't that great? I think after this gym, though, we can finally buy Ultra Ball, so that'll be nice. I wish I had Body Slam, that'd be cool. Lickitung? You know, let's let Vertex get some action. I'm not particularly worried about anything this thing could have. Drought? Oh yeah, let's not forget. Vertex is immune to ground moves. So that's pretty cool. Just having like a free immunity. Great, great. Gee, thanks. Hopefully I can find like the leftovers. Oh yeah, I forgot to take the Soothe Bell off. No need to really have that on anymore anyway. Oh, so how did you break out Confusion turn 1? That's crazy. Kind of rude actually of you to do that. Alright. First and foremost, let's heal. Yeah, no need for you to be holding that Soothe Bell anymore. I don't really have any item to give you though. Darn. But at least I made it to the gym leader now, so. There's only have one. Hey. We can handle that. We can handle that, no problem. Let's just go to Charmeleon and Flamethrower. Azula! Haha, you miss. Perish. Like moths to a flame. Anyway. That was simple enough. I do not lose easily. I, Price, the Winter Trainer, shall demonstrate my power. Bring it. Bring it, old man. For alligator, oh god. It's kind of scary. 31! Oh no. I don't think I should have challenged this gym first. Ooh, nice crit. Agility. I should have awkward to make you keep doing that, but whatever. Oh, okay. I'm not too worried about that. We actually have really good special defense. Okay, I was hoping you'd agility again or something dumb. Shadow Claw, yeah. You lived. Are you serious? Guess I'll slack off here. I didn't get a crit. That would have been terrible. And then I'll do it again, because why not? Try to get back to full HP. Might as well. Although I can only do that 2 more times. Oh no, my speed! Hey, bother! Hey, bugger, mate. Terrible. Azula has reached the level cap. Crabby. Dang, Moses. We went from an ice gym leader to a water gym leader. What the heck? Wait, do you have Thunderbolt? You do! It's a Krabby. I think Anister can beat a Krabby. Why'd you have, like, Ice Fang or Ice Punch? I believe it. 32, is this your ace? Harden? Huh. You fool! I attack specially. Huzzah! Vanquished is my foe. Electrike. Emperor, our newest team member, can handle that. Wait, what? Bro has levitate. You gotta be kidding me. So he has no weaknesses. Gotcha. So, I guess I'll have to run. Wow. But yeah, if we found an electric type with like Earth Eater or Levitate, that would be awesome. I mean, it's literally just like a free, no weakness Pokemon. Imagine we get like Raikou with Levitate or Earth Eater. That would be awesome. Because I've seen, I mean, Ursaluna and Reader in this game, so I assume they're Subgen 9 Pokemon, perhaps? Golem. I'll let Kraken handle that. And I think this is his last Pokemon, too. It's not the yellow one, though. 33. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to come to this gym yet, but I mean, it's not that much higher level than me. Nice. Of course I won. The Glacier Badge! Huzzah! Whirlpool. Ooh, a TM. What is it? Hail. Wait, did I not get a new level cap or something? That would not be ideal. Oh, how are things going? Something weird's happening with the radio broadcast. Oh. Interesting. Do I want to go do that? Not really. Do I do it now or do I wait? I think I'll save that for a different episode. I guess we can see if we can level up more. With, Vertex. We can, but to what? 35, 36, so... Faint attack. Ah. A move that never misses. I suppose we'll do this. Is 36 the level cap? It is. Which means if we really wanted to, we could evolve a Zula right now. But I think I shall wait and let it happen naturally. For now, let's try to get another badge. That's our 5th gym badge. So that's cool. Our fallen friend Eradicate. Rattata. No! I remember you, Rattata, but nobody else does. Anyway. But yeah. I wanted to see if I can buy Ultra Balls now. Whoops. We can! Give me. And Hyper Potions. Oh, nice. What about full heals? Revives are literally useless. Are they? I don't know. Who knows, maybe you can revive a fallen Pokemon. You never know. Bruh. You gotta be kidding me. Oh no. Not great. Over 23. Yeah, perhaps I should have gone this way first. Oh, I don't care. Wow, that did a lot. Holy. Oh, that's rude. Oh, that's really rude. How dare you? Alright, now we're just being silly. Perish! Alright, well that was absurd. What is my encounter? Ah, re-encounter. I already have you. We have the shiny variant. Doesn't look that different, to be honest, but, you know. Anister to the front. Blissey, go away. I know we can get something different. I already have that too. Will we find something that we don't have? That is the question. Come on, give me something new. Come on. That will stay in the box forever. We'll never use it. I don't know, maybe we will eventually. Yeah, there is no way to break it out. I'm gonna name you RJ. Don't know why. It just feels right. Well, I guess we'll get our regular encounter now. Let's see. Aria does. Okay. Not the greatest encounter ever, but whatever. Fury Cutter. Mean. I don't think this will knock you out. I hope. Yeah. I hope you get paralyzed next turn. Oh yeah, so last episode we lost two Pokemon, Victory Bell and Alakazam, both in the same episode. Isn't that great? I don't know if I already said that. I think I did though. It was tragic. Terrible. Terrible, terrible day. Nice. I shall name you Lucas. Lucas the Spitter. Whoops. Oh well. We can always rename it later. For now, I would like to heal my my Anister. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Don't you think my Pokemon are beautiful? Nah, they're hideous. Runnery. I got a Thunderbolt with your name. Sandstream. How rude. Perish, you fish. Lana animation. Easy. Little Noctowl. Whoa. Good heavens, did you see that shadow? Couldn't tell what color it was. Looked silver. How strange. Look at it. Haven't seen one of those in ages. My name is Boba. I used to run the Safari Zone in Future City, but no day with it. Trainment options coming out. So I just go overseas. Someone. Oh, right. The Safari Zone is in this game. It's the N-word. It may be more. Mentioned that we are chatting. Why don't we register each other's numbers in the Poke Gear? I can give you a call once the Safari Zone is open before I call anyone else. Oh. Okay. Another encounter! Woohoo! Oh, I can't paralyze that. Might as well use Flamethrower, I guess. Oh, don't do that to me. It's mean. Guess I'll have to Thunderbolt you. And then for safety, I'll switch to Emperor. So you can't hopefully do any damage to me, but you never know. Helping Hand, Stand, Attack, and Leer. I've yet to see an attacking move. That just doesn't have one. I believe it. Nice. What's to name you? I will name you Storm. Let me see a static encounter right here that we can get. Oh, that's interesting. Do you survive a flamethrower? Probably. Let's be honest, it probably doesn't. Go, Pocket Ball! The Ultra variety. Yo, Ultra Balls are so great. Nice. I shall name you Silk. Don't know why, it just seems right. So, oh drats! I suspect I should switch immediately. Taurus, yeah. To what though? Vertex. I believe in the power of our new ace. Perhaps our... Well, that's not really our starter. That's Alakazam, the Fallen, you wilderness. Wow, we ate that. That basically did no damage. I guess we are quite a few levels higher as well, but still, dang. Bro said, nom nom. Nice. Another one. Sure. So mean. Why would you do that to me? Again? So rude. Huzzah! We did it! Oh, your Pokemon have potential. Oh, well this is a surprise. I didn't know you were gonna evolve this early. Anistar got slightly less weak. Let's go! Nice. Didn't learn anything. Okay. The Farm of the Moo. Oh, that's cool. I have orange berries. Yeah. Probably weak. Oh no, I have no more berries. Let me go get some more. You have it here? Oh, you do. Oh, only raw berries. I need Orain berries, though. How misfortunate. Whoops, didn't mean to jump in the grass. I guess it's not that bad. I think we'll be alright. Oh wait, Anistar has a new ability. Can't escape? What do you mean I can't escape? Bullshit, I can't escape. Yeah. I guess let's check that. shell armor. Oh right, you have a speed lowering nature. Big nugget. Nugget power. Do 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 do. Oh, drots. I didn't know there was gonna be a trainer right there. Very well, we shall engage in the fisticuffs. When will King learn a stab physical null move? Who knows? I think he gets body slam on level up at some point. I just don't know when. Maybe I'll never know. How disappointing indeed for you. Anorith. Oh, that's kind of cool. Thought it was shiny for a second. It looked a little funny. Alas, I was wrong. We made it to Olivine. It does look a tad bit different. Oh no. It isn't here. Oh. It's sick at the lighthouse. Well, in that case, that means we need to get to Cyanwood. Anything here for us to collect? Sure. The good rod. Thank you. What do you do? Oh. I can fish here. Oh, or surf encounter, I guess, too. That's not what I was expecting to be in the water. But sure, I guess. Who's to say Magmortar can't live in the water, right? Now my question is could you survive a flamethrower? You do have good defenses, it's raining, it's resisted. I suspect that you might. Do I dare risk it? I don't know. Oh god. Maybe I should. Trust, I believe in the ball of the ultra variety. It broke out immediately. You know what? We might as well try. It's not the greatest loss ever. I think you can live one. Oh yeah, you can live multiple. What the heck? See, what was I so scared about? And it basically does no damage. Oh, that's rude. Why would you do that? I wish you didn't. This is gonna make it take much longer. Great. Thanks for that. Oh my god, you must be joking. Oh, Magmortar, why must you do this to me? I just wanted to, capture you, take you on a nice little adventure, have a nice time, that sort of thing. But no, you had to use smoke screen of all things. So rude. Thunder Punch, yeah. A punch of the thundering variety, I see. I read, paralyzed. Surely now. Dang! Not even one wiggle? That's crazy, man. Bro just needed me to be silent, I guess. What is that one girl's name from Black Clover? Scullion might be her name? I have no idea, Leah. I have no idea. I think that's her name. Excellent. Yeah, well, I guess we can check their abilities though, huh? Yeah, we have a couple of Pokemon to check. Crusher, Synchronize, Cute Charm, Static. Ooh, interesting. Suppose we should continue onward. I think one of you give me strength, right? Nice. Well, allow us to venture on this way. Oh, a new route. Ooh. And a new encounter. Houndoom. Interesting. Let's see how much this does to you. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, cool. I guess no encounter for us. No, that's fine. I didn't want one anyway. Oh, another encounter. Okay. Oh, what? I didn't know that was possible. I can't paralyze that. Suppose I'll just chuck Ultra Balls at it. I mean, I don't really know what else I can do. I don't really think I can hit it either. That's pretty cool. The blood, I already have the regular one, but a blood minion is pretty cool too. One of my favorite alternate forms, actually. Oh god. Oh. Hey, I guess you're a special attacker, huh? Hmm. Interesting. Would I even name this thing? Snore? Do you have like rest or something? Charm Slash, Magnitude Snore. Did I already see its force move? I don't think I did. Okay, you charmed me 2 times, so I think I am good to use like Feint Attack probably. Yeah. I probably could have attacked you before too. Oh well. -6 might have been a bit overkill though. Man, I wish I had Slash. That'd be nice. Slash, that's your last move. So you don't have a move, but yourself asleep. Darn. Yeah, indeed. My attack won't go any lower. You already lowered it. No. Get to my ball of the ultra variety, please. No? Oh, okay. Guess I could try hitting you with, like, quick attack. I don't think that'll do too much damage. Haha, I have levitate, you can't do that. He didn't know, the fool. Yo, can you, like, charm me so I can quick attack you? I'm afraid Vertex is way stronger than he appears. Oh? Nah. Okay, cool. Now I shall use quick attack. Oh, I probably could. I could probably feint attack once. I don't think it'll do that much more. Yeah. Okay. Oh, how I wish I could use Thunder Wave on you. Go! Ultra Ball! Okay. Capturing Pokemon always takes so long, doesn't it? Unfortunate. Come on! Stay inside! Dang, bruh. I don't really have anything better, right? Yeah. Maybe I should have got what's his name to make some Pokeballs first, like a Heavy Ball. Heavy Ball would be nice for this. Didn't we already catch him, our Shaluna with a Great Ball? So surely with an Ultra Ball, right? One would think. I believe. Oh, brother. This is terrible. Oh, no. I fear it's close to struggling. I have no way to inflict a status condition. I wonder if there's an ability that lets you paralyze things regardless. Like, I know, there's stuff like poisoning other Pokemon, but paralyzing, I don't really think there's a way to do it. Unless you... no? I guess unless I, like, change this type. Which I just don't have a way to do, so... Dang it. This is infuriatingly difficult, unfortunately. Oh, brother. This is taking far longer than it needs to. Please just stay in the ball. Please, I beg you. Wasting valuable time. Bro, can we hurry up? God. Bro, just staying in the damn ball. Holy shit. Thank you. That was ridiculous. I shall name you... Muon. It doesn't have its really good special ability, but whatever. I'm not too worried about that. Bruh. Really, Solrock? You know, I'm glad we found that Ursula instead of this, because I would have been infuriated with an encounter like this when Ursula Blood was right there. Is this the Whirl Islands? I think it is. Yep, it would appear to be. I think it is. It is. However, it is all the time I have for this episode. In the next episode, we will explore the Whirl Islands and get another badge. So until next time, my friends.